Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data in Redmi 13C from any Android device. By the way, I am using Infinix Hot 40 to transfer data, and if you guys use any other device for transferring data to Redmi 13C, so the method is applicable. Before we start, just make sure to like the video and follow us for more interesting content. Okay, now let's start. First of all, do make sure that you have a strong internet connection. Then go to Play Store on both devices and search for Mi Mover. So this is an application. Just install it in both devices. Okay, now it's installed already. Just open it and agree it. So just click on old and give permission. After that, allow Mi Mover and then go back. Then again we have a permission. After that, go back. Another permission we have. Going back. Another permission. Okay. Then in Redmi 13C, just click on new. And if you are transferring data from any Android device, so just click on Android. And if you are transferring data from any old Xiaomi Redmi device, so just click on Xiaomi. Right now we have Android device, so click on Android and then click on install. Now it will start scanning. Just click, we have option here in Android device Redmi 13C. Just click on it and it will start connecting. See it connected, and then select data which you want to transfer. I want to transfer images only, so I can untick these and then send. Make sure that your internet connection is strong and stay connected to your internet device. Just select all and then send. Okay, transfer successfully. You are all set to Redmi 13C. Okay, just done it. And if you want to see the data, just go to file manager here and we have these files. So that's how you can transfer data from old Android device to Redmi 13C. If the video helped you, so just like the video and do subscribe us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.